Welcome to the ultimate debate, rent versus buy. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of renting and buying a home. First, let's look at renting. Renting offers flexibility and lower upfront costs. You don't have to worry about property maintenance or market fluctuations. However, you won't build equity, and rent can increase over time. But you can build wealth by investing in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Now let's consider buying. Buying a home can be a great investment. You build equity, have stability, and can customize your space. But it comes with higher upfront costs, maintenance responsibilities, and market risks. Home ownership is not for everyone due to financial flexibility, maintenance costs, and lifestyle preferences. So, which is better? It depends on your financial situation, lifestyle, and long-term goals. When planning to buy a home, it's crucial to weigh your options carefully. This significant investment demands thoughtful consideration of factors such as location, budget, and long-term goals. Equally important is homebuyer education, which can provide valuable insights and help you avoid common mistakes. By understanding the intricacies of the home buying process, you can make informed decisions, navigate potential pitfalls, and ultimately secure a property that meets your needs and aspirations. Additionally, through this educational journey, you might come to realize that homeownership is not for you and that renting is a better option. Taking the time to educate yourself ensures you're well prepared for this important decision, whether you choose to buy or rent. Another advantage of attending homebuyer education classes is you can qualify for down payment assistance. Working with knowledgeable real estate professionals can further ensure a successful home buying journey. To discover suitable programs available in your area, use the links provided below. I hope this video helps you make an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.